In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a landscape in Blender. So first you're going to delete the default cube, then you're going to go over here, open up that menu, then you're going to go to preferences, then you're going to go to the add mesh A.N.T.Landscape, make sure that is checkmarked, then you're going to go back to 3D viewport, then you're going to go to Shift A, go to mesh, and then you're going to go down to landscape. Now when you have a landscape in, what you can also do is just zoom in a bit so you can get a better view. And you're going to go over to this, open up this menu, and basically you have all these settings to it. So you can do random seed, for instance. You can change how you want it to be. You can change its height. You can also change what type you want, so you can make it like a cliff if you want. You can make it a mountain. You can add whatever you want. So yeah, and then you can just click S, scale it up, and yeah, that's basically how you make a landscape in Blender. It's a useful tool. Thanks for watching.